it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to eat watermelon wine. You might think I'm crazy, but there are lots of benefits for us. It is high in fiber, high in vitamin B and C, and it's good for our blood circulation. These are the ingredients that you need. Ginger, garlic, salt, sugar, cornstarch, watermelon peel, olive oil, cooking wine, soy sauce, and fish sauce. Okay, my watermelon peel has been washed, so I'm going to take away the green part because the green part is a bitter taste. Cut it like this, or you can use a peeler to peel it, but I prefer doing it this way. It's easier. I find this way is easier. I got 1.5 pounds, but maybe after taking off the green part, it will be 1 pound. After you take it off, just make it into strips like this, thin strips. Thin strips like this. My watermelon skin has been all peeled off and it's like thin slice like this. Chop some ginger, about a teaspoon of ginger. I'm going to mince it. And then 2 cloves of garlic, also minced. So it's like a tablespoon, a teaspoon. Okay, I am going to prepare the sauce. 1/2 teaspoon cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon fish sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon cooking wine, and mix. Okay, I am cooking in medium heat and my pan is hot, so I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm adding in the garlic and ginger. I am cooking it until the aroma comes out, and then I will add in the watermelon one. Okay, now the aroma has come out from the ginger and garlic. I am adding in the watermelon. Try to stir it for 1 minute. 1 minute has passed by and it looks like this. And now I am going to add in the sauce. To get everything, just add in another maybe a tablespoon of water or 2. A tablespoon of water. And then stir it. Everything has been mixed. Now I'm going to cover. And let's cook it for 3 minutes. 3 minutes has gone by and it looks like this. And the color changed, so that tells me it's been cooked, fully cooked. And the texture of this is like you're eating a squash or sort of like zucchini. It's also a little chewy texture. Now it's cooked, so I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Turn off my stove, mix it, and then it's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.